That flood watch, by the way, it has been extended to include all of North Texas, and it's now been extended through the day Monday for 2 to 4 inches of rain. Some locations could see even higher amounts, specifically speaking across the Metroplex, closer to about 2 to 3. Some locations, isolated pockets could be higher, closer to 4, maybe even 5 inches of rain. Along our western counties, west of Mineral Wells, west of Wise County, 1 to 2 inches of rain. And in our eastern counties and East Texas, that's where we will see the highest amount of rain, 2 to 4 inches. And by the way, this is between today and Wednesday, with the bulk of that happening in the next 24 hours. So that's how much. This is when the risk is highest. Sunday night after midnight, we go up to about medium with our flood concern. It goes closer to higher Monday morning after the rain has been coming down for quite a bit and it's also accumulated. So that's when, this is the where. This is the area that will most likely see the flood threat. This is including Wise, Denton, Collin County, portions of Tarrant and Dallas County towards the Red River. Everyone in North Texas, however, under at least an elevated risk for a flood concern. Monday late in the day, we lower to a low risk, and that is all as rain moves to the south of the area. Here's where the rain is right now. We are seeing the batch of heaviest rain moving out of North Texas, closer to far northeast Texas, and just a few little showers now across the Metroplex. I think we're kind of in a lull with the rain, and that'll continue for the next few hours. After midnight is when we start to see a bigger rain, more widespread rain across the area. This is Sunday around 8. We could see another batch of rain moving in along our western counties, but really it's going to be moderate to light rainfall. I think after midnight is when we start to see some of the heavier stuff piling in along Interstate 20, and we'll notice some of this rain continue through about daybreak on Monday. This is now showing you Monday around 6. A lot of us commuting around this time, getting the kids ready for school. We're likely already going to be dealing with some flood concerns from rain that happened a few hours before this, and then we're piling rain on top of that. Look at the areas along the Red River. That's where we have a really high flood risk through the morning on Monday. This is now showing you around 8 in the morning. We see the heaviest rain east of the Metroplex, but still, these models have been going back and forth with the timing. So what you see on radar now is showing around 8 in the morning, but this could very well be shifted back to about 6 or 7 in the morning. Just a heads up there, we could see 1 or 2 hours shifted here with our rain. This is Monday now at 10 in the morning. We still see some of that heavy rain in the Metroplex and towards the east. This then shifts south of Dallas-Fort Worth in the afternoon. This is Monday at 3 in the afternoon, so that's when the risk kind of goes down. So just to lay it out for you again, our storm timeline. This is what you can expect tonight. Rounds of showers and thunderstorms. It does become more widespread after midnight, closer to about 2, 3 in the morning, and then again throughout the morning drive. Monday morning, that's when the heavy rain is possible. Localized flooding is going to be possible by this point. Do expect a wet commute just about everywhere in North Texas. Even if the rain is not currently falling where you are, you're likely going to be seeing it, the remnants of it on the ground. Monday evening, we'll see some lingering showers there, but the heaviest rain is going to shift to the east and to the south. So again, tonight, about 74 degrees, 90% coverage of rain after midnight, and then tomorrow, 90% coverage of rain, 80 degrees. It does not warm up at all because of the rain and cloud cover. It's crazy to see so many 80-degree days in August, especially after the summer that we've had. But man, do we need that break from the heat, and this rain, it's just kind of the cherry on top. It's just coming in a lot in a small period of time, so that causes some issues. We just need to be careful out there.